Hello dear viewers, today I will show you how to unlock locked Facebook account. If your Facebook is locked or hacked in a new way, your account is verified with your NID or passport or driving license, but you cannot forward from this site. Keep your account safe. What to do? Today I will show you how to get back your Facebook account. You can see that keep your account safe. From this interface, keep your account safe. I cannot go forward or proceed ahead. Also, here is another option, enable two-factor authentication. If I would like to click here, it will take forward, but I cannot log in to use my Facebook account. You can see that here is writing you can't make this change at this moment. I will go to another Facebook account which one is active, and from there I will search my hacked profile account, and from there I will, if I go to this three dot, then I will find profile link copy. If I want to make copy from my profile, I have to click right side of mouse, then I can copy profile link. And if it is mobile, I have to click three dot, then I can collect copy link from mobile. Now I will go to another browser. Here I will write imposter report Facebook, and there is available other options. I will scroll down. From there down I will select one, and if I am log in another Facebook account, I will log out, and from there I will select one option, imposter report account, and here I can see that in a small writing the report and imposter account. In this option I will select, and I can go forward with this link, and here I can see that there is three options. From these three options I have to click from three, means down one, then I will click next, and I will click from these two options, I will click the down options. From these two options I will select second one, then I will click next, and I will get another interface, and from there I will click no, then next. From here interface I will get I will select number 2, and next I will get one interface or a form. From there I have to fill up that form, fill in with all my documents in details. I will fill in this form. I will write my full name, and here is writing contact email. Here I will put contact email, and my profile name, which is hacked my Facebook account, and then here is writing imposter profile. I have to put here email, then I put my email, then here is writing choose file. I have to submit my NID. If you have a passport or driving license, another you can submit, and I submit my NID. Now I have already copied a profile link, hacked profile link. That one I submitted here, and then additional information. Here I put I have to appeal, or I have to request this person is using my name and photos in Facebook. I have documents to show you. I have already submitted my all documents to check. I am requesting you to remove this account. Then I will click next. Here I have to click submit. Then I will get one interface. Here I can see that there is writing, how can we help you? Means our imposter report is complete. And I can see that I checked my email. From there I found that they're telling that Jahidul, your account has been blocked. From this interface I can try. I went new browser to check can I get in or log in. I went there and they they took me such a way interface, and I clicked get started. From there next I clicked, and then I found that they are telling sorry, something went wrong, we are working on it and we will get it fixed as soon as we can. That means they are trying to log my account. Again a few hours I tried to log in with a new browser, and I clicked get started, then next, then again I found such a way this interface. Again they are telling that they are sorry, they are trying. So I thought that if I tried many times, maybe it can be logged and I cannot recover my Facebook account. So I didn't try many times. From next day I tried again. And how did I try? Let's see. I got an email. That email is writing that they confirmed me that my account is locked. So now I can unlock my account. So I click get started, then next, and then they are taking me here and they are telling me to put email. So I put my email, and they asking for get a verification code. So I put verification code, then I put email, and then they are showing this interface that I can verify my face. There are two options: allow face matching or do not allow face matching. I thought that I have already submitted my NID, so maybe they are asking me for matching face. So I clicked matching face. Then they are telling start selfie, and they are telling that to turn my face right circle, and they are telling to turn my head to the right. They are showing one symbol, also they are telling write down. Next they are telling position your face in the circle, so I put in circle and middle. So they are telling perfect, and next they are telling slowly turn your head to the right. So I turn it right. Now telling up, and again up, again right, and they are telling me to submit, so I submit. Here is writing identity confirmation in progress. It will be done in 48 hours, but don't need to wait instantly. You can go Facebook software. From there you can try and you can log in. I got an email, and here is writing, and this is my Facebook password, and it will expire 9 July, means another few days. And there is writing down, get back into your account. Here I clicked, and it takes interface. Next I clicked, and then I found this interface that your new login details. It means it allowed to login. It allowed me to login. So next I clicked. Here is writing, you have unlocked your account. It means I'm lucky. Wow. So here is writing, review your account. So I clicked here, and I can see that it's loading. Whatever I did or my activities in Facebook, everything is okay or not, or here something is changed. This 4-person, I don't know, I didn't do anything. So I select them and I removed them. From here, people you added or followed, but I didn't follow any of them, so I also removed them. Here is a notice, please delete any recent. If I didn't post anything, all post I did, new there is no new any post, so these are okay. So I click continue, and here is written, go to new feed. I clicked here, and here is writing that it's expired, session is expired, so I have to again log in from my Facebook software. So I went there, and I was lucky that I found it back my Facebook. So if you face any problem, you can follow my video, and I think so you also can get back your Facebook account such a way. Thanks, bye bye, be well and be happy.